Are you frustrated by the installation failed? The package could not be installed. PCLZIP ERR bad format error while installing a WordPress plugin? Don't worry, we're here to help you solve this. In this video, we'll break down what this error means and how you can easily fix it so you can keep moving forward with your website. What is PCLZIP ERR bad format? When you see the PCLZIP ERR bad format, unable to find end of central dir record signature message, it usually points to an issue with the zip file format of your plugin. Let's look at the two most common reasons why this error occurs and the steps to resolve each one. Cause 1. Zip file issue. First, let's address a common cause, a corrupted or incomplete zip file. Sometimes, the plugin file may not download properly, which leads to this error. Instruction 1. Try downloading the plugin file again. Go to your account on the store where you purchased or downloaded it and re-download the file. Instruction 2. Once downloaded, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins and click Add New, and try uploading the zip file once more. If it installs successfully, the issue was just with the download. But if the error persists, let's explore the second potential cause. Cause 2. Server disk space issue. If you're still seeing the error, your server might be running low on storage space. Without enough space, WordPress can't unzip or upload your plugin files. Instruction 1. To confirm, try uploading a different file, like an image or another small plugin. If you can't upload any large files, then storage space is likely the problem. Instruction 2. You can free up space by deleting unused themes, plugins, or backups, or by contacting your web host to increase your storage capacity. Once you've ensured you have enough storage, try uploading the plugin file again. This often solves the issue if disk space was the problem. That's it. Resolving the PCLZIP ERR bad format error is often just a matter of re-downloading the zip file or checking your server's storage space. We hope this guide has helped you successfully install your plugin. Still have questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below, and we'll be happy to help. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips and solutions. See you in the next video.